Confused about Prodigy Brains? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, we will cover what exactly is Prodigy Hunt, which exam we offer, and why they matter for your child's future, how we evaluate your child and guide them towards the right career path, step-by-step process to register and appear for the exam, what happens after the exam, results, rewards, and recognition, and answers to the most common parent questions. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why Prodigy Hunt is the smartest step for your child's career journey. Prodigy Hunt is India's leading career-based Olympiad platform. We don't conduct the usual maths or science Olympiads that everyone else conducts. We conduct mock exams, or you can say the junior level version for the most prestigious exams of India, like Junior IIT, Junior IS, Junior Doctors, Junior MBA, Junior TOEFL, and many more. These exams are drafted by top industry experts and are a must in today's fast growing competition. We evaluate your students on the same parameters they are evaluated in these prestigious exams. After dedicated efforts by industry experts, Prodigy Hunt has been designed. Prodigy Hunt is unlike any other Olympiad, it's a unique concept. And yes, it's not like students need to study something else. They prepare with the same syllabus they learn in school, but the level is quite different and the experience is completely unique. We also provide courseware books with the exam. Now, what exams we offer? Let's start with Junior IS. Now, this exam is based on the UPSC exam where students are questioned on history, geography, social science, current affairs, and general knowledge. This exam is for students who have a keen interest in these subjects and are updated with what's going on in the world. Junior IIT, a perfect blend of physics, chemistry, and maths. We train students to think for both science and maths together and give them AIR, that is All India rank, right in their current class. So they can improve and get a better AIR in the future. And time management is the key to success in this exam, and students start learning it early. Next exam is Junior MBA, a mental ability test. This is a must for all students because mental ability is tested in almost every exam and career path. No matter which exam or career they choose, may it be engineer, developer, designer, government servant, it is best learned at an every age. Next exam is Junior TOEFL. For students who wish to explore their English language skills and be prepared in advance as global citizens to get to foreign universities ready for future challenges, this exam is for them. Junior Doctor's Examination. This is an exam testing your biology knowledge with a combination of physics and chemistry to know your probability of getting into MBBS course. Next exam is Junior Coders. Today's world is AI driven and multiple students want to opt for programming. We test them at the initial levels, providing detailed statistics on how to scale faster and stay ahead. Next is Junior Finance and exam for all, no matter what career or business you choose. You must be good with numbers and finance. We train you for that. If you're confused, we advise choosing more than two Olympiads so we can help you understand what is better for you. Now let's start with why this Prodigy Hunt is unique. It's not about extra syllabus. Your child studies the same topics they learn in school, but at a more competitive level. We provide courseware books along with the exam so students can prepare with ease. Our papers are designed to test knowledge, logic, speed, and application. And the detailed report card tells you exactly which areas your child is strong in and which needs improvement. Next, we provide All India rank and percentile. And our percentile often matches or comes close to real plus 2 entrance exams. Detailed career guidance after the exam, national recognition and awards, these are also presented. Designed with today's generation in mind and not the 90s based syllabus approach. Now, after knowing all this, you all must be curious how to register. So, let's see step by step procedure. It is pretty simple. First, register online, get the book delivered to your home, study at your own pace, choose your exam date, appear for the online exam. Sixth, receive a detailed report card with percentile rank and All India rank and compete in level 2 for medal, trophies and cash prizes. Now, what happens after the exam? Results, rewards and recognition. So, based on your performance, you will be provided with a detailed report card. If you qualify for level 2, you can appear for the same. And yes, the journey doesn't end here. We felicitate you at the national level with trophies and cash prizes, and we help you ahead in your journey to success. We have a strong vision at Prodigy Brains. We don't just want to conduct exams, but to help you achieve milestones in your future with good rewards and motivation. Now, let's focus on the most asked questions by students and parents. So, first question we got was, can my third standard kid appear in this examination? Of course, and they should. The courseware is based on their age group, and starting early is always good. They will have an upper hand compared to others. They will also know their current competition, and we already have a good strength of third standard kids appearing. Next question we got is, do they need to study extra syllabus? No. Our books match the grade and are designed not to be hectic for students. Now the most common question is, how much time should they study? I think if they study with concentration, just 3 hours a week is sufficient. Now, which exam should my child take? Honestly, it depends on their interest. Trying 2 to 3 Olympiads gives a clearer picture. Will my kid get a certificate? Yes, a certificate and detailed report card for all, plus a medal, trophy, and cash prizes depending on their rank. Now, each and every parent is thinking, how will my child benefit from it? Now, everyone must be thinking, how will my child benefit from it? So, first point is early career awareness. Then, improvement is reasoning and problem solving, exposure to competitive exam patterns, recognition at a national level, and of course, motivation to learn beyond textbooks. Now, next is what is the exam pattern? So, basically, exam pattern is MCQ based questions and duration will be 60 minutes. What study material will my child get? We will provide you with a complete booklet, all guidance for the exam. We also host online sessions which can be attended during holidays, not compulsory as the book covers all. Is any preparation needed? So basic preparation is enough and the content from our courseware is designed to be age appropriate and does not require any heavy extra study materials. Now, is this recognized or trusted? So yes, Prodigy Brains and Prodigy Hunt is backed by education professionals with over 25 years of experience and is conducted ethically with proper transparency. Will this exam put extra pressure on my child? Of course not. Prodigy Hunt is designed to be engaging and motivational and not stressful. The questions are age appropriate and the aim is to inspire learning and not any rattawala memorization. How can my child give this exam? They can book an exam slot once the window opens and give it from home on a phone or laptop with proper internet connectivity. How will my child's performance be evaluated? Performance is measured against peers at the school, city, and national level. A detailed report card highlights strengths and improvement areas. Next question is, will my child receive guidance after the exam? Yes, we provide post exam career guidance and learning resources to help students improve further. Now, your question would be, how do parents stay updated? So, we send important updates and results via email, WhatsApp, and the Prodigy Hunt official website. Will the exam be monitored? Yes, we use an online proctoring system that monitors your child via webcam and screen activity to ensure fairness. Can my child take the exam from anywhere? Yes, as long as the device meets the requirements and there is a stable internet, the exam can be given from home or any quiet location. So, parents, apart from this, if you have any queries, comment down your doubts and we will reply you as soon as possible.